RAS is a modern and sustainable method of fish farming that allows us to raise fish in a controlled environment by using the minimal water. Unlike the traditional aquaculture, RAS continuously filters and reuses the water, making it highly efficient and environmental friendly. This system is designed with several components like culture tanks, mechanical and biological filters, and oxygenation units. They work together to maintain the optimal water quality for the fish. RAS is not only ideal for high-density fish production, but also helps to reduce the pollution, save space, and support the year-round farming. As we face the growing demands of seafood and increasing pressure on natural resources, RAS offers a smart solution for the future aquaculture.
Next, I will explain about the water flow for this recirculation aquaculture system. Firstly, water is pumped from the filter tank to the top horizontal pipe. The water then flows into each of the 5 culture tanks. Next, inside the tanks, water flows in from the top and drain out through the bottom outlets. The wastewater flows back down into the filter tank where it goes through mechanical, biological, and sand filtration to be purified. Finally, the clean water is pumped back into the system, creating a continuous cycle. These are the main aquarium tanks known as culture tank, where marine species like fish, shrimp, and other culture organisms are kept. Each tank serves as a part of a mariculture or aquaculture system, and the function of this culture tank is where the fish or organism live. They are fed, monitored, and observed for growth, behavior, and health. Each tank can be used to rear different species, separate growth stages, or test various parameters. And the purpose of this culture tank to provide a controlled environment for raising fish. Uneaten feed and waste begin here and are carried away by water flow.
The mechanical filter is the first stage in our recirculating aquaculture system. Its main purpose is to remove large solid waste, such as uneaten fish feed, fossils, and dead before the water moves to the next filtration stage. In this system, we use black and blue plastic biomedia, also known as bioballs, as a filtering materials. These spiky plastic balls are lightweight, reusable, and designed with an open structure that trap particles and water flows through. As the dirty water passes through the media, larger particles get caught between the plastic surface, helping to keep the water clean and prevent clogging in the biological filter. This process changes overall water quality and maintains the system efficiency. Although this filter main job is physical filtration, the media also offers surface area for some beneficial bacteria to grow, giving it small secondary role in biological filtration. However, since this filter needs to be cleaned regularly, it should not replace the main biofilter. Regular maintenance, such as rinsing the media with tank water a few times a week, is important to keep it working effectively. In short, the mechanic filter plays a key role in maintaining water clarity and reducing waste, helping to keep a healthy environment for the fish.
The second column of our RAS system, biological filtration. The main purpose of this section is to remove toxic compounds like ammonia and nitrate from the water. These are harmful to fish and must be broken down to safer forms. This is done using nitrifying bacteria that live on the surface of the filter media. As you can see in this video, we use coral rubble and crushed coral. All of it is placed inside biomedia mesh bags. This material gives a large surface area for bacteria to grow. You can also see we arrange it neatly in the second section. Now, how this system works. The biological process that happens here is called nitrification. Ammonia from the fish waste is converted into nitrate. Then, nitrate is converted into nitrate. This process is done by the good bacteria that living on the surface of the coral and ceramic media.
The third column for the RAS filtration is a chemical or polishing filter. The purpose of this filter, of this column, is to finely polishing the water, which is removing fine particles and the trapping debris. Sometimes, the chemical filtration may occur if the activated carbon is used. Okay, what does the media use for this third column? So we usually will use fine sand or silica sand for the chemical filtration. And how does it works? It works like a natural fillers, which is it will help the water to become clear before returning to the tank.
Filter tank. Filter tank is a crucial component in circulating aquaculture system (RAS). There are three main functions of filter tank. The first one is to remove waste and impurities from water like uneaten food and debris. Second, to maintain water quality by removing harmful ammonia and nitrates. 3. To support healthy aquatic life by providing clean water.
We'll explain the function of submersible filter pump, which is PWD 3500. I want to explain the function what submersible filter pump does. It has three main functions, which is the first one is move the water, so the water doesn't stay still and keeps the water fresh. For the second one is cleanse the water. It will remove dirt, waste and leftover food. And the third one adds oxygen. It will help fish breathe better.
In conclusion, the Recirculating Aquaculture System or RAS offers a sustainable, efficient and innovative approach to fish farming. By reusing the water and maintaining a controlled environment, RAS helps reduce the water consumption, limits environmental pollution and increases the production in a smaller space. With the growing demand for seafood and the need for eco-friendly solutions, RAS is a promising technology for the future of aquaculture. It is not only supports food security but also promotes a responsible resources management. As we move forward, investing in and improving systems like RAS will play a vital role in building a more sustainable aquaculture industry. Thank you.